Hi everyone, I have an order for a jewellery set and I thought I'd bring you along and show you how I make it. This order is for someone's birthday and it's a necklace, earring and ring leopard print. These are very popular. Especially the colour, very vibrant. So, let's tissue. So I think I will make a ring first of all. This is a 12mm silver plated adjustable ring. Just a little bit glue. These are so easy to make. Ideal for beginners. We need to leave 24 hours for them to dry. And these are 12mm earring stud settings, the same material as the rings. I don't even squeeze the glue. I'll just do this and it comes out. There we go. And for the necklace, these are plated with alloy 12mm. They have a pattern on the back. All the supplies are available on the website www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. There's that one. Now ideally I would leave 24 hours before doing anything else with them, but just to show you what I do. So we take our jump ring, which has a split. This is a 5mm. Like that. And then I'm going to open the jump ring. You always twist, never like this. Then we pop the chain. Make sure I've done that wide enough. It'll slide through. Pop the pendant. And then we'll re-close. And this will go on here. You can put earrings on there, but these will not sit right with this thickness of chain. So that's that one. Just going to put those on here. attach the earring stoppers. All my earring settings come with backs. There we are. The actual ring, I do put on the little handmade with love tag. These are just an little elastic band. Where the ring's adjustable, I just thread. I'll just open this one and thread it through. There we go. So the recipient just has to cut it off. If you like this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.